If you don't already have AUTOMATIC1111, check out the installation guide on GitHub. But before we dive in, it's important to note that you'll need a good graphics card with at least 8 GB of VRAM to run these tools well. The Nova Furry model can be found on, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but the name of the site is on screen. This model just came out recently and I get very decent results with it. So let's click on the download button and download the model. Now open the AUTOMATIC1111 folder and navigate to the Models folder. Move the Nova Furry XL file into this folder. Then, restart the GUI to ensure it recognizes the new model. First, navigate to the Stable Diffusion Checkpoint section. Here we can change what model we are using. For this, we want to use the Nova Furry XL model. Next, let's install the ADetailer extension. This is a powerful add-on that helps refine details in your generated artwork, especially for character faces and features. Let's copy the URL for the GitHub page and open the extensions, then the Install from URL tab. From here, you can copy and paste your GitHub link and press the Install button. Don't forget to apply and restart the UI so the extension can be loaded in. I'm going to increase the sample count and just leave the other settings at default for now. The key to generating appealing art lies in your prompt. Be clear and descriptive. For example, instead of just saying furry character, you can say anthrocat in a jacket holding an umbrella. Now let's click the Generate button. Depending on what GPU you have, this can take a while. Now, you will notice that the image looks very off, and that's because the resolution may not be high enough to produce it correctly. That's why I like using this magic feature, the Hires Fix, to make the image look better. So just click on the checkbox to turn it on and let's regenerate it. This will take a lot longer than previously, but it will be worth it. As you can see, we get way better results with this enabled, and the image is much more stable and better looking. Over here, we can change the width and height of the image. Depending on what I'm working on, I wouldn't go past 1024 pixels because that would take too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and increase the width of the image. The CFG slider tells Stable Diffusion how much you want the image to follow the prompt. So the lower the number is, the more creative Stable Diffusion gets and follows the prompt less. And the higher the number is, the more Stable Diffusion follows your prompt. So I'm going to set the number to 4.5 for this next image. And I'm going to go ahead and use Allura for this image. Allura allows you to teach Stable Diffusion to generate images with specific styles, concepts, or characteristics. I'm just going to use a stabilizer which makes the image look even better. I highly recommend this Allura if you are just beginning because you get better results with basic prompts. Now let's talk about ADetailer. This extension is very easy to use. Let's say I want to change the color of the character's eyes on the character's face, so I'm going to go and write the prompt blue eyes. That way it will automatically in-paint the character's eyes to a blue color. And as you can see, ADetailer automatically detects the character's face and starts in-painting the prompt that was given. And that's it. You're now ready to create amazing art. Once you've generated your artwork, consider using tools like Krita or GIMP to add finishing touches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. And as always, share your creations in the comments below or tag me on social media. I'd love to see what you come up with.